Measures of data. Data analysis is a set of processes for gathering, inspecting, organizing, and displaying data with the goal of discovering useful information that will either add, support, or diminish support for a hypothesis. The requirements for proper data collection must be clear and unambiguous. Understanding where data comes from and how it is collected is of paramount importance. Measures of central tendency. The mean of a data set is the sum of the numeric data values divided by the number of data values. It is often called the average. The equation is given on the AP Biology reference sheet as the sum of all numbers divided by the total number of data values. The median of a data set is the middle data value when the values are written in numerical order, typically from smallest to largest. The mode of a data set is the data value or range of data values that occurs most often. Example 1, mean, median, and mode. Find the mean, median, and mode of the ages for data given below. If I'm given a set of 5 ages, 10, 8, 9, 8, 5, find the mean by adding the values and dividing by the number of values. Find the median by listing the values in numerical order and selecting the middle value. And find the mode by selecting the value or values that repeats most often. Okay, so to find the mean, we add up each of the individual values, 10, 8, 9, 8, and 5. We get 40. And divide by the total number of values. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Gives us a mean of 8. If I list the numbers in order from smallest to largest, I can find the median or the middle value is 8. And the mode is the value that repeats the most often. In this case, 8 is the only value that repeats. In this case, the three measures are equal. Mean, median, and mode. That is not generally true, but is true if the data represents a normal distribution. Some special cases to be aware of. For the mean, calculating the mean or average of values won't always result in a whole number. To calculate the median when there are an even number of values, so there is no midpoint, average the two middle numbers. So add those two together and divide by 2. And for the mode, it is possible to have more than one mode if more than one value is as repetitive. Also, it's possible to have no mode if no values repeat. Example 2, calculate the mean, median, and mode for these data. So we have a set of numbers, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8, 11. Conveniently, they're in order from smallest to largest value. Let's find the mean, median, and mode. Okay, so to find the mean, we have to add up each of the values. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11. We get 41. We divide by the total numbers in this set, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So divide by 8. Get 5.125. Notice this is not a whole number. The median in this case, we have 8 values. So there is no exact midpoint. It would be in between these two values here, right? And so with an even number of values, the median is the average of the central values. So I add this 4 plus 5 and divide by 2 to get a median of 4.5. And for the mode, in this case, it's possible to have more than one. We have 2, both 4 and 5. Example 3, calculate the mode for these data. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11. There is no mode in this case since no value appears more frequently than any other value. Example 4, find the mean, median, and mode of the ages for the Apollo pilots given below. So for Apollo missions 11 through 17, We have the pilot's age, 39, 37, 36, 40, 41, 36, 37. And we need to find the mean, median, and mode of this set of ages. So the mean, we just add each of the ages up. So 39, 37, 36, 40, 41, 36, 37. Just add all of those. We get 266. Divide by the total number of pilots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get a median of 38 years. A mean of 38 years. The median, in order to find the median, we need to put these ages in order. So this is random right now because it's in the order of the Apollo missions. But if I put the set in order from the youngest to the oldest, I can find the midpoint of the data set. So the median is 37 years. The modes, there are two because both 36 and 37 years appear twice. Extreme values and range. The minimum is the smallest value in a set of data. The maximum is the largest value in a set of data. Together, the minimum and maximum are called the extreme values. The range is the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value and is always a non-negative number. Example, minimum, maximum, and range. For this data set, 14, 17, 9, 2, 4, 10, 5, what is the minimum? What is the maximum? What is the range? So we can see from the data set, the minimum value is 2, the maximum value is 17, and the range would be 17 minus 2, or 15.